Introducing the RPLW80, a 3-inch wide LED channel for recessed lighting. Made with high-quality aluminum, it is designed to provide a reliable and efficient housing for LED strips in architectural and indoor lighting applications, such as recessed residential lighting, bathrooms, offices, malls, and other large spaces. The RPLW80FL can be installed in 1/2-inch to 1-inch thick drywall and wooden ceilings, which is 12 to 25 millimeters. The large size of the profile offers excellent heat dissipation, allowing it to accommodate high-power LED strips, such as the King Protea and Verbena series. Using these strips with the RPLW80FL will create a powerful and efficient lighting fixture. Thanks to its large size and excellent heat dissipation, the profile is able to take 2 LED strips, which is great when you need a little extra brightness. Let's install some King Protea strip into the channel. Simply remove the adhesive backing from the underneath of the LED strip, and stick it into place. Now, let's test the light to see if it works properly. Great! The diffuser clips easily into place, evenly distributing the light to create a soft, pleasant, ambient glow in your space. The diffuser is available in 2 finishes: clear prismatic, which is brighter but more prone to spotting, and opal frosted, which provides smooth dot-free illumination. A great feature of the RPLW80FL are the optional mirrors that can slot in and out. They increase brightness by up to 20%, saving you electricity. This is how you do it. Simply slide in the mirrors on both sides of the profile, ensuring they are properly aligned and secured. Make sure you face the most reflective side inwards. Now, let's test it again with the mirrors in place. You can see a noticeable difference in the lux value, as the mirrors reflect and increase the light output. The area on top of the profile can be used to hold controllers, power supplies, and wiring. We can also cut the RPLW80FL to any specific length or angle you need. Just let us know in the order notes. If you would rather do the cutting on site, you can watch our video to pick up the best practices when cutting LED profiles. Let's take a quick look at some of the accessories we offer, for use with the RPLW80FL. The aluminum end caps are available in silver, and they also include small screws to hold them securely in place. These mounting brackets with embedding springs slot into the sides of the profile. You'll have to slide them in before attaching end caps. The spring system adjusts to various ceiling thicknesses. When you need to join 2 lengths of this profile for a longer run, you can use these 90-degree connectors to create corners, or the straight ones for linear joints. To create stunning pendant light fixtures, we recommend the Universal Hanging Kit, available for purchase on our site. You just have to slide them into the slots on top of the profile. Easy peasy. You can save time on site with our pre-built corners. If you're interested in using the RPLW80FL for your LED projects, check it out on our site. If you have any questions, please reach out. We'll use our 20 years of LED expertise to assist you. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we look forward to creating more like it in the future.